And residents of a barangay in Benguet province now have a stable source of water for their daily needs. The full report from Jonathan Llanes.
866 students and teachers, aside from 3,585 residents of Barangay Bequel in the Trinidad Benguet, is set to benefit from the newly installed water well and elevated water tank system donated by the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines. In the inauguration with the said facility, Nelson Cabangon, Corporate Affairs Head of NGCP, said that this is part of their corporation's social responsibility for sustainable development for its host communities. This aside from providing a stable source of water that will help improve the lives of 14 sitios consisting of 689 households. The Corporate Affairs Head explained that NGCP will continue to look for opportunities that will support their external stakeholders.
We are very happy to accomplish this project here in Bequel for the elementary school and the Eastern Trinidad National High School. Ang advocacy po kasi ng NGCP patungkol po sa edukasyon. Kaya po medyo maraming mga proyekto po ay para sa karamihan sa mga bata na nag-aaral at mga paaralan po. So this is one of the more socially relevant projects that we have accomplished lately. We're not doing this just here in Bequel, but we're also doing it all over the country.
This project was done through the support of the local government of Bequel and the Trinidad Benguet, along with its neighborhood multipurpose cooperative and Parents and Teachers Association of Bequel Elementary School and Eastern Trinidad National High School.
Naniniwala po kami na ito ay ang tamang dapat gawin. Kaya po ginagawa namin ito. We also believe that the opportunity to share is not given to everyone. So nagpapasalamat po kami, binigyan din po kami ng opportunity to share what we have with you.
From the province of Benguet and for the People's Television, Jonathan Llanes.